butter.
Oh, this is my butter making today, man. I made some butter. It's awesome. It takes a long time to make butter. Let me tell you.
Yeah, starting to sound a little more solid. All right, we're almost there. I'm gonna have it today. Homemade butter. There it is, finally coming into butter. Man, it took a long time. Like 3 minutes, man. It takes like 3 hours. I did this yesterday. I couldn't get it to go. Finally today, there it is. Let me go around and push all this back down in here and give her a final. Should be separating out to, yeah, I can see the buttermilk in there. See the buttermilk in there? Oh, I'm so excited. Finally getting my butter. So we gotta do this some more. And then like a cheesecloth.
And then you gotta pick it out, get your hands wet and basically go in there and squeeze all the buttermilk out of it and ball it up. And then you put it in a thing of water, and it, man, it's so good. Unbelievable. Looks kind of like that bowl with the butter or with the water in there, but that's butter, man. It is so good.